Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon box blinking red and green. We also recovery steps for your boot recovery loop and reset steps. Fix 1, wait for a few minutes. Wait for around 5 to 10 minutes. Do not unplug the device while it's updating. Fix 2, restart the Verizon box. Unplug the power cable from the box. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Plug it back in. Allow the box several minutes to restart completely. Fix 3. Check all cable connections. Ensure the power cable is securely connected. For FIOS equipment, check that the coaxial cable or Ethernet cable is firmly plugged in. If using a Verizon Internet gateway, make sure the WAN or Internet cable is connected properly. Fix 4. Check for a Verizon service outage. Open the My Verizon app or sign in to your Verizon account online. Check for any report outages or maintenance in your area. Fix 5. Restart your network equipment. Turn off the Verizon box. Restart the router and wait until it's fully online. If accessible, restart the ONT by unplugging it briefly or using its reset option. Turn the Verizon box back on. Fix 6. Check for overheating. Make sure the box has good ventilation. Remove any objects blocking the vents. Let the device cool down if it feels unusually hot. Fix 7. Factory reset only if recommended. If Verizon support recommends it, perform a factory reset using the Verizon's reset button or the on-screen menu. Keep in mind that this may erase your customized settings. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.